Here at Group O, we know that time is valuable. We know our clients need to focus their time and attention on the critical activities that have the largest impact to their bottom line. But what about the other important activities that still need to be managed and optimized? That's where Group O comes in. That's when it's go time. Group O is a business process outsourcer specializing in services that allow businesses to dedicate their resources and time where it's needed most. Our specialized services include supply chain and inventory management, packaging design, materials and equipment, digital device testing and kitting, incentive marketing and rebate management, and customer care. Our highly trained, diverse team of over 1,000 employees across the U.S. and Mexico are dedicated to optimizing business processes, technology, and sustainability. That is how we have earned the reputation of a trusted partner to the world's largest brands. Over the last 50 years, Group O's passion for solving problems has been the driving force behind our success. A passion that began in 1974 with one man selling packaging materials out of his family station wagon is one that continues to evolve to meet the needs of today's businesses. If you're ready to optimize your company's time and resources while reducing your overall environmental impact, then it's go time.